Hey guys, Drew coming to you from Bale Camper Sales. I've been getting a lot of requests about this unit in particular, video requests and stuff like that, and so I just came out here, decided to do a video that I can post on our website so you guys can get a little better idea of some of the key features inside this unit besides just scrolling through pictures. So, as usual, without further ado, this is a 360 video, so you guys can scroll around, zoom in, zoom out. On most applications. This is a 2015 Keystone Sprinter, 298FWRLS, I think is the full model name of it. A real clean unit with opposing slides, lightweight, got a lot of cool upgrades, and it's the main reason it's priced right. So we're going to get started here. Behind me here is, I'm kind of in the living room entertainment area that will scroll into the kitchen. Behind me here in your traditional rear living, you do have your trifold hub sofa, so this will fold out into a bed. Customer who owned this before replaced this linoleum, put brand new linoleum down, and that wood look really goes good with all the other coloring units. Plenty of storage up top here, a lot of windows to make it not feel as crowded in here. Got nightstands on each side with GFI on each side too, and you got some cabinets here. In this area here, this is the recliner slash eating area. So you have your recliner center consoles with cup holders, some room here, and yes, these do recline. Wall huggers that go back across from the TV fireplace area. And then right here in this area, you have your table with 4 chairs. A lot of cool lighting here, and then you have some storage up top. Across from it here, you got your TV slash fireplace area with some storage up top. The comes with the unit. Obviously, anything you see in here comes with it. Fireplace does work off of 120, so that's big if you're going to be using this in extended seasons. Works off of 120, helps keep your propane bill down if you're using it in the wintertime. Upgraded Samsung double door fridge here, guys. Real nice refrigerator here with a big freezer. A lot of storage in this kitchen area over here. You get storage here below. You got your 3 stovetop burner with suburban oven, high point microwave with light and fan right there, and then a lot of storage in this area here. Real cool spot for a coffee maker, charging center lights, double-sided sink, sprayer there, and a lot of storage on this side here. So this is the living room kitchen area of this unit. Now we're just going to jump on up into the bathroom. Alright, now we've jumped on up in the bathroom of this 2015 Keystone Sprinter 298FWRLS. A lot of room in this guy here. Obviously you see the 360 camera sitting in the shower there. Spot to see it. Upgraded shower head there. Skylight above for you tall folks. Good deep sink here with the medicine cabinet with storage behind it. Storage underneath, and I don't know in this 360 if you'll be able to see it, but you do have a lot of storage over here on this side, and it goes all the way back. Foot flush toilet, and you do have a lighting in here, and also your fan up there. All right, last but not least, we're going to slide on back in the bedroom and finish the tour of this bad boy. All right, last part of the tour. Again, 2015 Keystone Sprinter 298FWRLS. One of my favorite things about this trailer, even though it's a 2015, this was a version that came out with a bed in the slide. And it's got an upgraded mattress in it. You don't have to worry about spending money on a mattress. It's got a real nice, comfy mattress. Plenty of walk-around room here, as you can see. Across from the bed here, you got plenty of drawers. Perfect spot for a TV. Your plugs are right here. You can plug right in. Good hallway. Good storage closet here. You got stuff here. You got these sliding doors with hangers on each side to where you can hang your clothes. A little storage there, and then storage up top there. They did upgrade to a second air conditioner on this, so it's got 2 air conditioners on to keep you nice and cool in the summertime. All right, guys. That's the tour. I've been getting a lot of hits on this. I'm going to post this up, so it's probably not going to last long. If you're interested, come on down. Let me give you a full demo. The video helps out a little bit, but I can show you some of the outside features here. Again, we're into camping season. It's here. This is one of my only fifth wheels I have below the 40 grand mark, and this one is very pristine. Got some cosmetic stuff, but kept up real nice and be a real nice home or lake house for someone this summer. So come on down to Bale Camper Sales. We'll get you camping.